Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have stepped out of the box, guys, and I have done something that I haven't actually had before. I have never had blue eyeshadow, so I really wanted to try this look, and I'm so pleased that I did try it because I think it looks really nice. So if you dolls want to see how I create this look, carry on watching. Let me know if there's any other colors that you think would look nice or you'd like me to try out. I'll definitely try it. 2020 is all about taking risks, guys. You can't just be holding yourself back. You've got to just go for it. I love how this look turns out, and if you want to see how it's done, then carry on watching, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. With my concealer, it's my MAC Pot Concealer in NC42, and I'm just gonna finish off my brows. Okay guys, so I have done my eyebrows, and I'm actually really proud of myself this time around because I've actually made them quite thin, so I'm quite happy about that. So eyebrows are done. We're going to go straight onto the eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the PLouise base, which is this right here. I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. So guys, I've decided to do a look that I haven't done before. Fun fact, I've never had a blue eyeshadow. I've never actually done that look, so I'm going to try that out with two new palettes that I have. This palette that I'm going to use is the Makeup Revolution palette. It's got loads of colours in here. This palette is the Magic by Juvias palette. So there's some dark blue tone. We're going to start off with this blue. So let's see what these pigments are giving. So that's what that blue is doing. It's quite nice. I'm going to go in the Juvia Place palette, and I'm going to take this blue in the inner corner. I was not expecting that colour. Try this colour here, and I'm going to go back in the inner corners here too. palette and I'm gonna try and get a lighter blue to complement the darker blues that I've got on. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color, this blue. This color. Gonna go into this cool blue silvery color right here. I'm just blending those two colors together now. I've added that really nice light blue silvery glittery kind of shade, so I'm just blending that with the blue that I just added on the cut crease. It's really good. I get my Better Than Sex liner. Gonna use this color and I'm going to put that under my brow bone. This is actually a nice color to put under your brow bone because it's not too bright, so it kind of blends like really nicely with the blues. It's not too much of a shocking transition. Quite like that. Okay guys, so I have done my eyeshadow look. It's not finished yet because I still need to do my under eye, but I'm happy with how it turned out for my first time doing blue. I'm very pleased. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then we're going to get the look all together and then we'll see how it all looks in the end. Concealer first on purpose because I'm gonna add other concealers once I have done my foundation. I think this is more coverage for like the lines under my eyes, so that's why I put it on first. So I'm gonna add my Born This Way foundation in caramel. Not very graceful. So we're going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Light Tan. HD NYX Concealer concealer. Sacha buttercup to cap my cheeks, carve up my cheeks. I'll tell you guys in every video why. So if you watch my videos you already know. I'm gonna just pop a little bit of blush on. We are going to finish off doing underneath the eye, so I'm going to go back in with the first blue that I used, which is this blue here. I'm going to put that on my lash line. I'm going to go back to the Juvia Place palette. I'm going to use these two blues. Cool blue. I'm gonna put it. And then I'm gonna go back in with this lightest blue, this blue here. I'm gonna add that on the outer corners. Oh, crop. From NYX, a nude color as well. So I like using nudes more than white sometimes because it's not so like in your face. I'm going to just brush this off my face now. Guys, I almost forgot to add a tear duct. I'm going to add a tear duct. I don't want to open another palette, so I'm just going to have to find a color from this palette that's going to work. I hope this doesn't kill the look. Gonna use this like gunmetal kind of, this gunmetally grey kind of silver. I don't want to use that same silver that I use on top of the lids. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution London palette to highlight with. I'm going to go into my Beyond Nude lip liner from NYX. And my NYX Laundry Gloss in Honeymoon.